Abebyamagara mu Hoima borekere muranga kwa abantu abari kurenga 3,300 bari kutura n'akakooko ka siriimu bw'54 bari mu district ya Hoima kandi 85 bari mu rurembo rwa Hoima. Ekero kushasha abebyamagara no kugira ngo abantu 10 nibaruga hambazi ya ARVs burugwanyuma y'emyeezi ekintu cyongizo kujanjara okwa akakooko aka.
We continue to have a number of people who have been started on treatment, however, get lost. They get lost in the community, they abandon the treatment. What does this mean? That over time these people will become sick and less productive, but also the danger of spreading this disease to other people.
Most of the reasons as why that is happening, number one, transactional sex. Tusaziro kweyiya abana bayisiki basaziro kweyiya n'abana bojo basaziro okoraki kweyiya.
Ebe bigambirwa babire nibijuke kiro cy'akakooko ka siriimu okujaguze kiro cy'abashija hamwe n'ebiri 16 byo kurwanisa obutabanguko mu bakazi umugoro gukorirwa hacishaye cy'ishomero rya Butema Primary School ogutebekanisiibwa aba Reproductive Health Uganda na district ya Hoima.
PROMISE is an acronym for Program to Improve Sexual Reproductive Health Services Environment. We have 5 pillars under that project: STD prevention, SRHR and young people, special needs, and private sector. That's SRH and employment inclusion.
Right now we have a big gap that there are still very many men out there that have not been tested for HIV, very many men whose HIV status is unknown, very many men that need to be on treatment.
RDC wa Hoima imekatera hamwe na district kadi wa Bunyoro muzire mu district Sheikh Musa Mabanja bashoborera ngo bworo makani yonshonga nkore rugirire akakooko ka siriimu hamwe n'obutabanguko mu shitweka.
To avoid the gender-based violence, man was commanded to work hard. Akokuwaka muhamani, and he was given 5 pillars of the working aspect. Hear them. 1, work hard. After working hard, 2, save. 3, invest. 4, cooperate.
Ngo ubutabanguko bw'amaka nuburetwa obworo nuburetwa umushija kushwera bakazi bingi kandi akazara abana bingi kandi atine sente zo kubareberera. So mbibyo nabyo byo kushanga umushija burudacika narwana n'umukazi ahabwo kuba ibinde byo kukozesa muka tibirumu hato umushija ushanga yihamu ubwo kuza kunywa amaro.
Sheikh Musa Mabanja nagira ngo kinda barukora sente za kafuna bahindukira abantu kizubu.
Bangi tambula. They are very difficult to people with uncultured, disoriented behaviors. Mugora ebindagano kubahandika. Omusajja mpaye miliyoni emu nongamba handika nze eju yawe. Eju yange yika.
Uganda ine kigenderwa cha 95